Yo guys, this is how you obtain access to the Gconnect app, no? So after downloading the APK, first you need to comment here in the main post. There's a format below, no? When you read the post, it says I want to test device model and then Android version, printer model if applicable. If not, you can put NA. There's a lot of testers or registrants, no, who downloaded the APK and then did not follow the instructions. So until now, they can't log in. So in order for you to get into the inside the app, you need to comment so you notify the admin, or you may PM the admin if you don't get the access after commenting in the main post. So that's it.